Top 8 vegetables that may help support fatty liver recovery naturally after 50. Why fatty liver is becoming so common after 50. Many adults over 50 are shocked when routine blood tests suddenly reveal fatty liver, especially if they rarely drink alcohol. What surprises many people even more is that fatty liver often develops quietly for years before obvious symptoms begin appearing. At first, the signs may feel small and easy to ignore. The body feels more tired in the morning. The stomach feels heavier after meals. Weight around the waist becomes harder to lose. Energy crashes happen more often. Sugar cravings increase. And some people begin noticing brain fog, bloating, or sluggish digestion throughout the week. Many assume these changes are simply part of aging. But sometimes the liver is quietly struggling under years of metabolic stress. Fatty liver disease has become increasingly common because modern lifestyles place enormous pressure on the body over time. Excess sugar, processed foods, poor sleep, stress, alcohol, sugary drinks, lack of movement, and chronic inflammation may gradually increase fat buildup inside the liver. The liver is one of the hardest working organs in the human body. Every single day it helps regulate metabolism, process nutrients, manage fats and sugars, support digestion, balance hormones, and help filter waste products from the bloodstream. But when too much fat begins collecting inside the liver, the body often starts sending silent warning signs long before serious disease develops. This is why many adults over 50 are now searching for gentler and more sustainable ways to support liver wellness naturally. Not through extreme detoxes. Not through miracle cleanses. But through healthier foods and daily habits that reduce stress on the body consistently over time. This article explores 8 vegetables often connected with liver-supportive nutrition and why simpler meals may sometimes help the body more than aggressive wellness trends. Spinach. The leafy green often connected with metabolic balance. Spinach is one of the most commonly discussed vegetables in healthy aging conversations because of its fiber, antioxidants, and natural plant compounds connected with metabolic wellness. After the age of 50, many adults consume too many refined carbohydrates while eating very little natural fiber. This imbalance may gradually contribute to insulin resistance, inflammation, sluggish digestion, and increased fat storage around the liver. Many people notice they feel sleepy after meals, crave sugar more often, or struggle with constant belly fat even when they are not eating huge portions. These may sometimes be quiet signs that metabolism and liver health are under growing stress. Leafy greens like spinach may help support healthier eating patterns because they are naturally filling while remaining lower in processed calories. The fiber inside spinach may also help support digestion and healthier blood sugar balance, both of which matter greatly for fatty liver wellness. Many adults also notice that lighter meals rich in vegetables often leave the body feeling calmer and less inflamed compared to heavily fried or processed foods. Spinach is commonly enjoyed lightly cooked with olive oil and garlic, blended into smoothies, or added into soups and warm vegetable bowls. Sometimes supporting the liver begins simply by giving the body meals it can process more comfortably. Beetroot. The deep red vegetable linked with circulation and liver support. Beetroot has attracted increasing attention because of its deep natural pigments and antioxidant compounds researchers continue studying in relation to inflammation and oxidative stress. After 50, oxidative stress becomes increasingly important because years of poor sleep, stress, processed foods, excess sugar, and inactivity may gradually affect multiple systems in the body at once. The liver. The blood vessels. The metabolism. And circulation itself. Healthy circulation matters greatly because every organ depends on proper blood flow and oxygen delivery to function efficiently. Many people with fatty liver also notice low energy, sluggishness, or mental fog throughout the day. Sometimes this constant heaviness is connected not only to weight gain but also to chronic inflammation and poor metabolic health. Beetroot is naturally rich in nitrates associated with vascular health discussions. Some people enjoy fresh beetroot juice in moderation, while others prefer roasted or steamed beetroot added into salads and warm meals. The important thing to understand is this: the liver does not need aggressive detoxes. It already detoxifies the body naturally every single day. What supportive foods may do instead is help reduce some of the constant stress burden being placed on the liver over time. Broccoli. The cruciferous vegetable often discussed in liver wellness. Broccoli is widely discussed in metabolic wellness research because cruciferous vegetables contain plant compounds connected with liver-supportive nutrition. After 50, blood sugar imbalance often becomes deeply connected with fatty liver disease. Many adults notice they gain abdominal weight more easily than before, especially after years of processed foods and sugary beverages. Excess sugar and refined carbohydrates may gradually increase fat storage around both the abdomen and the liver itself. Broccoli contains fiber that may help support digestion and steadier blood sugar levels throughout the day. It also helps meals feel naturally more filling, which may reduce dependence on processed snacks and fast foods. Many people notice something interesting when vegetables become a regular part of daily meals. Energy feels steadier. Digestion feels lighter. And cravings sometimes become easier to control. Broccoli is commonly enjoyed lightly steamed with olive oil, herbs, garlic, or added into warm homemade dishes instead of heavily processed side foods. The body usually responds better to small consistent habits than extreme short-term diets. Cabbage. The traditional vegetable connected with gut and liver health. Cabbage has existed quietly in traditional diets for generations because of its affordability, fiber content, and digestive support. Many adults do not realize how deeply connected the gut and liver truly are. When digestion becomes sluggish and gut imbalance increases, the liver often experiences additional stress because both systems work together constantly. After 50, many people begin noticing bloating, heaviness after meals, constipation, or digestive discomfort becoming more frequent. These issues may quietly affect inflammation and metabolic wellness throughout the body. This is one reason fermented cabbage preparations have become increasingly popular again in healthy aging discussions. When the digestive system feels calmer and less inflamed, the body often feels lighter and more energized overall. Many adults notice that simpler vegetable-rich meals make the stomach feel more comfortable compared to heavily processed restaurant foods. Sometimes the liver does not need another cleanse. Sometimes it simply needs fewer processed burdens every single day. Garlic. The powerful flavor vegetable linked with metabolic health. Garlic has long been associated with traditional wellness practices connected with circulation, metabolism, and heart health. Researchers continue studying garlic because of natural compounds linked with inflammation and metabolic balance. After 50, chronic inflammation often becomes one of the biggest hidden drivers behind metabolic stress and fatty liver progression. Many adults feel constantly tired without realizing how much processed foods, excess sugar, poor sleep, and stress may gradually increase inflammatory pressure throughout the body. Simple flavor-rich vegetables like garlic may help people prepare healthier home-cooked meals more consistently while reducing dependence on processed sauces and fast foods. And this matters more than many people think. Because healthier eating habits often begin when natural foods become enjoyable enough to continue long-term. Garlic is commonly added into soups, vegetables, roasted meals, and warm homemade dishes because it creates rich, satisfying flavor naturally. Sometimes healthy aging is not about eating less. Sometimes it is about eating more real food. Carrots. The bright vegetable connected with antioxidant support. Carrot contains beta-carotene and antioxidants associated with healthy aging discussions because colorful vegetables often provide plant compounds connected with cellular protection. The liver works continuously to process fats, sugars, medications, alcohol, preservatives, and toxins from modern lifestyles. Over time, this constant burden may increase stress on liver cells. Many adults after 50 notice they no longer recover quickly from unhealthy meals, poor sleep, or overeating the way they once did years earlier. The body becomes less forgiving. Reducing oxidative stress through healthier eating habits may help support healthier liver function naturally over time. Carrots are also extremely versatile and easy to include in daily meals. Some people enjoy carrots roasted with herbs, while others add them into soups, salads, or blended vegetable drinks. Simple colorful vegetables often support healthier eating because they naturally replace heavily processed foods that increase metabolic stress. Bitter gourd. The traditional vegetable often connected with blood sugar balance. Bitter melon has been used in traditional wellness practices for generations because of its connection with blood sugar support. Blood sugar imbalance and insulin resistance are strongly connected with fatty liver disease, especially after 50. Many adults notice stronger sugar cravings, afternoon energy crashes, constant hunger, or stubborn belly fat long before serious metabolic disease appears. This is why vegetables associated with healthier glucose management often receive attention in liver-supportive diets. Many people dislike bitter foods initially because modern diets condition the palate toward sugar and processed flavors. But traditional cultures often valued bitter foods because they were associated with digestion, appetite control, and metabolic balance. Bitter gourd is commonly prepared lightly cooked with onions, garlic, and spices to soften some of the bitterness while maintaining its traditional flavor. Sometimes the body benefits from foods modern lifestyles slowly pushed aside. Okra. The vegetable connected with gut and metabolic support. Okra contains fiber and a natural gel-like texture many people associate with digestive comfort and gut support. Fiber-rich vegetables may help support healthier cholesterol balance, blood sugar management, digestion, and metabolic wellness, all of which are closely connected with fatty liver health. After 50, digestion often becomes slower and more sensitive to processed foods and heavy meals. Many adults notice they feel bloated, sluggish, or uncomfortable after eating foods they once tolerated easily. This is why traditional vegetables like okra continue remaining popular in simple home-cooked diets. Okra is commonly added into soups, stews, or lightly cooked vegetable dishes because it creates filling meals without excessive processed ingredients. Sometimes supporting the liver begins not with expensive supplements, but with simpler traditional meals repeated consistently over time. A simple liver-supportive vegetable recipe. Many adults over 50 are searching for meals that feel lighter on digestion while still remaining comforting and satisfying. One simple liver-supportive vegetable combination includes beetroot, cabbage, spinach, and garlic lightly cooked together into a warm, nourishing bowl. To prepare this dish, begin by warming a small amount of extra virgin olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add fresh sliced garlic and allow the aroma to gently fill the kitchen before adding shredded cabbage and thin beetroot slices. As the vegetables soften, they release natural sweetness and moisture that create a rich, comforting flavor without relying on heavy sauces or processed ingredients. Once the beetroot becomes tender, fresh spinach leaves can be added near the end so they soften gently from the remaining heat. A squeeze of fresh lemon and a little black pepper help brighten the flavor naturally. The final result feels warm, colorful, nourishing, and much lighter than heavily processed fast foods that often leave the body feeling sluggish and inflamed afterward. Sometimes healthier eating does not need to feel restrictive. Sometimes it simply needs to feel simpler. The silent signs your liver may be overworked. Fatty liver often develops quietly. Many adults live with it for years without realizing the body may already be sending warning signs. Some people notice constant fatigue even after sleeping. Others struggle with belly fat that feels impossible to lose. Some feel sleepy after meals or experience sugar cravings throughout the day. Others notice brain fog, heaviness, bloating, or reduced motivation becoming more common. These symptoms do not automatically mean someone has liver disease, but they may reflect growing metabolic stress affecting the body over time. This is why healthier daily habits matter so much. The body often whispers long before it starts shouting. Why daily habits matter more than detox trends. One of the biggest mistakes many people make is searching for aggressive liver cleanses instead of improving daily habits consistently. The liver already detoxifies the body naturally every single day without needing expensive powders, restrictive fasts, or internet miracle detoxes. What usually matters far more is reducing the constant burden being placed on the liver itself. Too much hidden sugar. Sugary drinks. Alcohol. Processed foods. Late-night eating. Poor sleep. Chronic stress. And physical inactivity. The body generally responds better to steady supportive habits than extreme short-term trends. Sometimes healthier aging begins not by forcing the body harder, but by making daily life gentler on the liver. After the age of 50, the body usually becomes far less forgiving toward processed foods, excess sugar, emotional stress, poor sleep, and chronic inflammation. And the liver quietly carries much of that burden every single day. But true long-term recovery rarely comes from one miracle vegetable, one temporary diet, or one detox drink. Real health improvements are usually built quietly through healthier meals, better hydration, deeper sleep, more vegetables, less processed sugar, regular movement, and supportive habits repeated consistently over time. Because protecting the liver is not about chasing extreme cleanses. It is about reducing the daily metabolic stress the body experiences year after year.